Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is atomic number and mass number. First, atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Nucleus of an atom. That is, it is a protonic number. Number of protons, or it is the protonic number. Protons are the positively charged particle present in the nucleus of an atom. Positively charged particles present in the nucleus of an atom. We know that atom consists of two parts, central part and outer part. Central part is called as the nucleus and outer part is called as extranuclear part. Central part, that is nucleus, contain proton and neutron. Protons are positively charged particles, whereas neutrons are neutral chargeless particles. So number of positively charged particle present in the nucleus of an atom is called as its atomic number. For neutral atom, number of positively charged particles are always equal to number of negatively charged particles in the atom. Negatively charged particle. So positively charged particles are called as protons, whereas negatively charged particles are called as electrons. So atomic number is also called as the electronic number. Electronic number. For example, an atom having one proton in the nucleus and one electron in the outer nuclear part, its atomic number is equal to 1. Similarly, for atom having two protons in the nucleus contain two electron in the outer nuclear part, so atomic number is equal to 2. Atomic number is also called as the ordinal number. Ordinal number of an element in the periodic table. Since modern periodic table is based on the modern periodic law, according to which elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic number, it has a unique value. That is, no two elements have same atomic number. It is represented by letter Z on the bottom of the symbol of an element as XZ. Here X is the chemical element, symbol of element, and this Z is the atomic number. Z is the atomic number. For example, hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number is equal to 1. It is represented by symbol H, 1 on the bottom of the symbol. Similarly, helium, He, 2, lithium, 3, beryllium, 4, boron, 5, carbon, 6, nitrogen, 7, oxygen, 8, fluorine, 9, neon, 10. This is about the atomic number of the element. Now, mass number. atom possesses mass. The mass of an atom is due to three fundamental particles, that is electron, proton, and neutron. Mass of electron is 1.9.11 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. Mass of proton is 1.672 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. Whereas mass of neutron is 1.675 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. Here mass of the electron is negligibly small. Negligible. Mass of proton is relatively 1 unit and mass of the neutron is relatively 1 unit. Since mass of electron is 1837 times smaller than proton. Mass of proton. And mass of electron is 1/837 of mass of the 1/837 of the mass of the proton. Among these three elementary particles, neutron is the heaviest particle. It is slightly heavier than proton. It is about 0.14% heavier than proton. So whole mass of an atom is concentrated within the nucleus of an atom. Protons, as we know, protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus of an atom, whereas electrons are present in the outer nuclear part, that is extranuclear part. So mass of an atom lies within the nucleus of an atom. So it is also called as the nucleon number. So mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. It is also called as the nucleon number. That is proton plus neutron. Mass number is represented by letter A and written as the superscript on the right hand corner of the symbol of an element. X is the chemical element, symbol of element, and A is the mass number. For example, hydrogen, atomic number 1, mass number is 1. This is the mass number of hydrogen. This is hydrogen atom, symbol of hydrogen atom, and this one is the atomic number. Suppose an atom having 2 protons and 2 neutrons in the nucleus and 2 electrons in the extranuclear parts. Its atomic number is 2. Its atomic number is 2 because it is equal to the protonic number, where its mass is equal to sum of proton and sum of electron, which is equal to 4. Neutron number. Neutron number means number of neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. It is equal to neutron number of neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Since mass number is represented by letter A and atomic number is represented by letter Z. So number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. That means mass number minus atomic number. For example, atom, hydrogen atom, 1 atomic number and 3 mass number. Number of neutrons is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. In this case, there are 2 neutrons because this is Z and this is A. A minus Z is equal to, for example, sodium atom. Na symbol 11 and 23. This 11 indicates atomic number Z. Atomic number. So its atomic number is equal to 11. This is also called as a protonic number. Number of protons. Number of electrons. It is also called as the ordinal number. Ordinal number of the sodium in the periodic table. 23 indicates mass number A, which also called as the nucleon number. Nucleon number, which is 23. It is also the sum of proton plus sum of neutrons, which is 23. That is number of proton plus number of neutrons. Number of proton is called as, is represented by Z, and number of neutron is N. In this case, number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. Here A is 23 and Z is 11. So it is equal to 12. So other example, example 2, protium, deuterium, and tritium. In this case, atomic number is equal to 1. Here atomic number is also equal to 1. Atomic number is also equal to 1. Proton, number of protons. Protons is equal to, number of proton is equal to atomic number 1, 1, 1. Number of electrons. For neutral atom, number of protons are always equal to number of electrons, so it is equal to 1, 1, 1 in this case. Mass number. Mass number A. Mass number A, atomic number Z. Mass number A is equal to 1. Here mass number is equal to 2. Here mass number is equal to 3. Neutron, number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here A minus Z. A and this is Z. A minus Z. A 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. A minus Z, yeah, here 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So number of neutrons in protium is equal to 0. Number of neutrons in case of deuterium is equal to 1, and number of neutrons in tritium is equal to 2. So this is all about atomic number, mass number, and neutron number. Okay, thanks.